YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV ski. It is currently 1:24 in the morning. But fuck time. Time ain't real. And content is forever. So I don't give a fuck about the time. I'll post it at 1 o'clock too. So shit, if anybody up watching this shit, you better be up watching this shit, pussy. Anyways, yeah, as y'all see, we have a new addition to the car. Finally installed my LED lights, ambient lights or whatever, right here. Yeah, they changed colors and all, but it's a little button I gotta press. I got it on blue right now. I'm really loving this, but I'm gonna do it for y'all, and I'm gonna change it. Ooh, I'm kind of fucking with the green though. Ooh, what y'all think? You got the blue, and then you got, I can go lighter. Shit, then I can. Hold on. I think I'm gonna keep it on this for now, but it has different colors. I just like the way this look, and I haven't really figured out the mechanics with this shit yet, cause I ain't gonna care. I'll be here all night fucking with that shit. But I was like, let me not do that. And yeah, enjoy this POV ski. We heading to QT ski, cause yeah, nigga want a big ass cup of ice, you know, stemmy, and want some Sprite. Hopefully they little machine back working, because I know yesterday. Well, a couple days now, they shit been tweaked. So, yeah. Oof. But I know a couple days now, they shit been tweaked. Somebody ain't changed their filter and shit like that. So, yeah, hopefully that shit done for, cause I want me a big ass QT cut, nigga. And I'll turn the light on for a second, but I'm not finna have the light on for real. I got on my elongated sweats. Y'all see it's 127. With my yeah, with my tee. You know what I'm saying? Got chrome and some little shit on. Yeah. I really wanted to play music. I'm playing some music for y'all, boy and girls. Is my shit blurry? Hold on. Okay, that's better. I was gonna say. Not playing slack. So you gonna go there.
You are now listening to
Pink, I'm sipping on East. Pink, I'm sipping on East. Pink, I'm sipping on East. I heard they rock for the drip, they rock for the chain. They got fake. I just got a hoe from UK and Miami. I feel like fake. In the trust pocket, I really got his need a Grammy. You need to thank me. Y'all need to throw my gang, I can rob my clothes, but nigga, you ain't me. I need a paint brush, I wait the block go. I just did a US tour, not a whole stock go. I put this shit in the pack, Pirates rock go. Pirates rock go. Pirates rock go. I'm this shit quake in the head if you put that walk go. Put that walk go. Put that walk go. I'm in their face today. She do not play. I got that fit around waist today. Bitch, you gon' spray. I got that bitch in my bag today. I been on tags today. Yeah, I might get on her ass today. I'm pulling out cash today. Fuck it, I don't gotta go in the bank. I put this shit out like shank. Put my Glock out like a shank. Money got water like tanks. Money got water like tanks. I put this shit on your face. I put this shit on your face. I put that blood on your face. You wanna smile like yes. Like future on serving that base. I can't get up like a face. I spray that bitch like base. I told you that I want you, talk to me dirty. Sucking on my dick, she came back in like I had to go in the lead a little bit, cause that little bitch is boring. And then now, bitch, all of my lungs, so I'm so sorry. I went up and went on, God, my life is sorted. All your family, pussy, I need me to get the board. I got it drum on my bad side, I swear, you home. I'm sipping on Easter. I'm sipping on Easter. I'm sipping on Easter. I'm sipping on Easter. I heard they rockin' for dread, they rockin' for chain. Nigga got fake links. I just for the whole from UK and Miami. I feel like fake me. In the trust spot, bitch, I really got hit, need a Grammy. You need to thank me.
Alright, put y'all back on in a second. We back, y'all, boy. Fuck it. I just got a cook. Listen to that good drink. I'm sorry y'all missed it.
Got your son the necklace done. Sharp poach. I mean, I'd go on the taste.
That's good. Beat that pussy up and swole. Woo!
Beat that pussy up and swole. Fucking a hole, let her roll. Kind of hole, let it go.
Hey.
Lay it down on one shot. Lay it down on one shot. I just even best on the twice shot. Can't even shot in the place. I put some shit on my wrist shot. Can't even tell you the time. I put this shit on my wrist shot. Pulling the house, okay? I got a vibe. You tripping, you know that you push your guy. You selling a lot. You never fuck that bitch. What the fuck they talking that bitch? I like bye, easy bye. I like bye. You got ready, she said, I like high.
Beat that pussy up and swole. Whoa.
Say wait.
Hold on.
Wait.
Windows down, phone nigga. Yo, hold on.
Be blessed for me, most of the ride. Be blessed for me, most of the ride. This motherfucker ride. Be blessed, bitch, shit got big size.
Say, finna fuck from the side.
Be blessed, bitch, shit got big size. Be fuck from the ride. Cigarette smoke all up in my damn lungs. Then I count calling, can't be caught, I'm making songs. Hit that beat, doggy style, she like your dick wrong. I see red when I see my arm red wrong. Martin jelly, coffee break, replica. That's what I smell like. I smell good, yeah. She wanna fuck on me, did before I had ya. She wanna suck that dick, she suck it, yeah. You so gay, how the fuck you come at me? You so gay, why the fuck you come at me? I'm so gay when it comes in race, I fuck on Benjamin Franklin. I'm so gay when I go to my show, it's sold out, I ain't playing. Big black smoke, eat motherfucker ride. Give motherfucker ride. Big black smoke, eat motherfucker ride. Give motherfucker ride. Big black bitch, shit got big size. Finna go for the side. Big black bitch, shit got big size. Big fuck for the ride. Let me whisper in your ear. She gon' ride this shit, she don't need that switch no gear. You some pussy boy, please don't come near. I need that pussy, baby. I'm like, come here. He ass, you like my mother. He need no tea no more. This little truck got car blood. I hit that bitch every day, and hit it all hard like a parlay. This ring ain't one no trip, this shit on Charles Barkley. I'm beating bitch, nah, I got a whole bucket. Goddamn wide dick. That bitch fuck my dick. Yeah, she come here with her. I don't give a fuck about shit, nigga, I know I'm sick. I don't give a fuck about shit, nigga, I know I'm sick. Big black smoke, eat motherfucker ride. Give motherfucker ride. Big black smoke, eat motherfucker ride. Give motherfucker ride. Big black bitch, shit got big size. Finna go for the side. Big black bitch, shit got big size. Big go for the ride.
Alright, y'all, boy. That's gonna conclude this POV ski. I love all y'all. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to come and give y'all a nighttime POV plus my ambient lighting and shit like that. So stay tapped in, stay tuned into all the content. Anything new coming to the channel. Got on my clickers and shit like that. But yeah. Oh damn, I finna show y'all the fit. But like y'all can't really see this shit like that. But I go just like laughing. I don't know what the fuck it is. Laughing tea. With these pants and you know what I'm saying, some shit like that. But yeah, you know, chrome on the wrist with the, you know what I'm saying, diamonds. What that boy say? Diamonds on my chain, got me dancing around this bitch. Some shit like that. Martin Luther King, black diamonds on my wrist, nickel. Fuck you talking about? Anyways, I love all y'all. Stay tight and stay tuned into new content coming to the channel, man.